Hey Josh, why you gotta be dissing the Pops Pez? You know, some of us find them very happy and cool looking and neato mosquito. Well, in my opinion, and everybody's entitled to my opinion, these look dead. They really do. But there's no doubt how happy this ghost is. Yeah! What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel. Yep, Pluto did that ghost. But you're still happy. Still happy. Very happy. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So there are these differences in these Bob Ross Pez dispensers, and I wanted to bring them to your attention and not just show you a happy Pez dispenser, but something dead in a coffin as well. So when you look at these Bob Ross dispensers, it's quite easy to tell that this is on a light blue stem and this is on a dark blue stem. But one thing that I noticed was up here at the top on the box. There is a warning label here. There is no warning label here. And when I compared them to all the other Pez Pops that were out there, this Bob Ross on the light blue stem is unique to this box. And this box without the warning is unique to this dispenser. So make sure they match up. Sorry, I could have been more long-winded, but I wasn't. So until next time, happy